photos, I don't think things through. I simply decide what I want and then I figure out how to make it happen. And that is the case with the giant game board. You would think with all my years of experience with these walls, it would be simple. My vision board was very simple because it was an IKEA board that had a natural evolution and natural expansion. By the grace of God, I think they're gonna have it done in time. We have 2 more walls to go and the branding all just got switched, and giant game board has been the art project of a lifetime. Unlike my vision board where we had a base wall, a base background to initially start the evolution from, which made it simple, I think the giant game board is officially my favorite art project I've ever done. And that is because of the complexity and how difficult it has been. You know, it's all fun and games to make some post-it walls and to do the vision boards where I had a base to work on. However, when creating this game board, I had to start from absolute scratch, meaning it's actually hundreds of photos taken from the city stitched together perfectly to create my map, which allows me to still have the addresses on the home. The amount of work that has gone into creating this game board, aligning them with the companies they need to actually have their own game boards created. And I think we're gonna get it right this time. I'm really excited for the new look. We're about to complete the next 2 walls and we have evolved the process. So the next 2 walls don't look like the last wall. They are definitely better. We've got an upgrade coming. And I've standardized the process. I got a great new color. I had the best compliment from the printing company and they said, we've never seen somebody kill their company faster. And I thought, you know what? Thanks. Pivoting proudly. Covering up the arm group is bringing me so much joy. And you know what I did? I decided what I wanted and then I started killing everything else in the way of it. Yes, I will teach you how and where to have one of these printed. My printing company is extremely stressed trying to make these.
Yeah. Bass so loud, hands in the air. We can start a party anywhere. Love this electricity. Never felt so good, never felt so free. Every road is highway 1. Hey, everyone under the sun. We're just living. We're just living. Got no limits.
This is always my problem when I start knocking, is I start losing too much weight. And so women, if you are looking for a quick weight loss, just hit those doors. I'm already a 00 and they don't make pants any smaller. It's exhausting some days. So much proofing, so much finalization. This whole corridor is about to get transformed and I have a feeling it will. So I will proof.
We're in the moment. Living our best life and we know it, we know it. Every road is highway 1. Hey, everyone under the sun. We're just living. We're just living. Just living. Got no limits. We're just living, living, living. Ooh, we're just living. Yeah, the feeling. We're just living. We're just living. Ooh, yeah, the feeling. Just living.
I think this is the first one I don't like. Also, I think I may have bought this one twice. I'm not sure if it's the same. Is it the same? Yeah, I bought this one twice by accident. That's so me. This is the first one that I don't love. I could never see myself wearing this, and that's really weird to say about a collar. But I'm just not about the colors. I prefer a much more simpler wardrobe, and this one, and I didn't know it.
We're just living.